Okay, good morning. We are at Indian Wells City Hall, and today is Monday, June 9th, around 9 o'clock, and it's about 88, 89 degrees out. What we're going to do is go around City Hall. We do something a little bit different than what we usually do, but I wanted to show you City Hall. Most of the stuff's up in the front that we're going to be going to. I'm going to show you all that. So we'll walk around up to the front. Okay. Nice big parking lot. About 9 o'clock in the morning though. So, that's interesting. They got signs that say City Hall closed from 12 to 1. I mean, that's usually everybody's lunch hour, but nice waterfall here in front. Okay. A lot of greenery here in front of City Hall. So, let's start our journey. I call these miniature palm trees. I don't know what the heck you call them. All right. So we're going to walk up here where all the plaques are at. Kind of on a busy intersection. This is El Dorado, and we're going up to Highway 111. This is kind of the main road through Coachella Valley. It's Highway 111. It runs from Palm Springs down through Indio, and probably further. But you can get it 111 off of Highway 10 going from California into Arizona. So here's the main attraction down here. Here's a sign here. It says City Hall, Indian Wells. So let's go look at the plaques over here. So it looks like this was put up in the year 2000. This is Indian Wells Memorial, honoring residents who have served. But it doesn't say. I assume it's probably World War II, Korea, Vietnam. So let's see if it's on the back too. Wow. Yeah, it's on the back. Let's see, World War II. I'm wondering, it must be Excuse me.
Yeah.
Got a quick question.
All right.
When they're talking about the ones that have served, do you think they also include World War II?
Oh, absolutely. I would think.
Because that one over there just says from 2000.
Okay, this one here has got the 2024 on it. So, obviously this has got to be World War, we think World War II.
But I don't see anything dated in the 1940s. No. Not even the Korean War or the Vietnam War.
Yeah, that's true. I don't see my father-in-law up here either.
Yeah, this is just
looking for
2000 on.
Yeah, I didn't read any of the inscriptions as to maybe what it actually represented. You would think it'd be any war, right? It's a veteran.
Because it says those who have served.
Yep, you would definitely say that. But knowing Indian Wells, you probably had to put down a chunk of money to get your name on it.
Probably, huh?
Yeah, no, I know my father-in-law, he lives right down here in the country, or used to live over here in the country club, and they wanted a lot of money to have like a stone with a plaque, you know. It was just like, he didn't have that kind of money.
Oh, jeez.
Yeah.
Well, that one over there, it's just broken down. It just says year 2000. This one's broken down by all the years.
I did all years. So
that one's not.
I wonder if that's a special memorial. Oh, okay, yeah.
And he might be on that one.
He died in 22, though, so.
Well, here's 22.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't see him there.
Yeah, he might be on that.
I'm gonna look over there. Yeah.
All right. Cool.
Yeah. Sorry, I couldn't answer it.
Okay, that's okay.
You know, I drive by this whenever I'm visiting here. I drive by it, and this time I said I'm going for a walk and just check it out.
Hey, you're not too far behind. I've lived here 4 years, and this is the first time I've seen it.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
I drive by here all the time.
Yeah.
I keep saying the same thing. I got to get out here and go do something.
Go look
with
at it. Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah. No, he's been out here since 2001. Yeah, so, and that's a long
Yeah, exactly.
So, yeah, guilty of it.
Yeah, me too.
I did the same thing. It's a good thing about COVID, just, I live in Seattle, but just my little neighborhood where I lived, and up in some small town outside of Seattle, you know, until COVID that I actually started walking the neighborhood, and I'd lived there 20 years and never walked,
exactly.
You know, 2 blocks down from my house. I'm like, no, I'm going to go walk.
I know, exactly. I agree.
I just want to say I walked that street. I know that neighborhood. I can do that shortcut if I have to.
Yep. All right,
great
cool.
day.
All right, you too. So you kind of heard all that, so you might have answered some more questions. So let's go look at this stuff over here. Kind of peaceful in here. Got a nice waterfall here. And then these are different people here that have their own. Well, this guy, there's nothing here on this one. There is another one over here. William L., whoever that was. Navy service. You can pause it and stop if you want. And here's another one here. Eisenhower Walk of Honor, dedicated to the Medal of Honor recipients and all armed forces personnel who have served our nation in war and peacetime. Indian Wells Council dedication, January 5th, 2001. It has the mayor, pro-mayor, councilman. Dedicated to the Medal of Honor recipients. But it doesn't say who they are. Okay. Now this one might be here, but you can pause it if you want to move it. So there's another one out here. That one. And then there's this, well, we'll come back to this guy. We'll go do this one here. And now we'll do this one. And then we'll go out here to the flags. We'll get a little closer. This is the Eisenhower Walk of Honor, Medal of Honor Memorial. This has all the flags up here. This is Dwight David Eisenhower. Yeah. And here's a big bust up in here, you can see. There's some more here. And then this is the front here with all the flags on it here. Might want to do that water feature over there. And we will finish our walk right here. Want to get into the grass. And that goes on up to the flag. You can see here. Okay. So we'll go back over to here. Okay, so that's it for this trip. So this is something different. We're going to try to go to different places here in Coachella Valley instead of just the place where I live. So I hope that you like this one, this tour. If you have any suggestions or anything, just put them down in the comments below and subscribe if you want to. And we'll see if we can hit another one tomorrow. It's supposed to be 105 this week, so I want to try to get out early so the camera won't conk out on it. So thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or anything, just give me a call. Write it down. Thank you.